In a time of great oppression, a child was born with a destiny that would shape the world forever. Samson, a man whose strength defied the limits of mortal men, chosen by God to deliver his people from the hands of their oppressors. From a young age, Samson's strength knew no bounds. His hair, a symbol of his covenant with the divine, grew long and untamed. His arms were like the mighty oak, his grip like iron, and with a single blow he could shatter rock. It is said in sacred texts that the Spirit of God would come upon him, and with it his power was unrivaled. But even the mightiest of men can fall prey to the weakness of the heart. Samson's love for Delilah, his greatest weakness, would lead him to his downfall. She, lured by the promises of gold, betrayed him. The Philistines cut his hair, and with it his strength was lost. The man who could tear down mountains now lay bound in chains. But even in the deepest darkness, the strength of God can return. Samson, humbled by his fall, called upon the Lord once more. In his final act, Samson summoned the strength to destroy the very temple that had once been the seat of his enemies. The world around him crumbled, and as he pulled the pillars down, the Philistines were destroyed. With one final sacrifice, Samson fulfilled his purpose, delivering his people from tyranny. His death was not the end, but the beginning of a new era. And so Samson's legacy lived on, not only in the pages of the Bible, but in the hearts of all who seek strength, courage, and redemption. His story is a reminder that even in our greatest weaknesses, we can find strength, and through faith, we can overcome the impossible. The legend of Samson, a story of faith, strength, and redemption that echoes through the ages.